Googada get a gang gang. Lenovo Slim 7 Pro. This is going to be called the Lenovo Slim 7 Pro X in North America, even though it says Yoga on the box here. Different names depending on the region that you happen to be in. Packing AMD Ryzen inside, and even though it's going to be portable, possibly even ultra portable, it's going to have a little bit of horsepower in there too to play some games or do some creative stuff, chop up a little video, do a little Photoshop, whatever you like. It is our pleasure to present to you the brand new Lenovo Yoga Slim 7 Pro X, pure portable power to create, leaning into the creative aspect, pinnacle of portable performance, enabling the most demanding of tasks. Yeah, ooh, quite slim actually. Let's talk a little bit more about that NVIDIA Studio validated driver. It's monthly updated 70 plus RTX accelerated apps, Adobe apps to Blender, got your Premiere in there. I mean, it's a whole list over here. Photography, video editing, broadcast, and rendering apps. So that's the angle they took with this USB-A port, 2 Type-C, including one with a charge LED, another USB-A, you have your dedicated headphone headset jack, and then a switch for the camera, Dolby Vision Atmos and audio by Harman. Oh, it's also got fast charging, and that happens via this power brick right here. Ooh, that is a pretty small 100 watt power adapter. All right, we crack it open. That's a pretty slick setup. AMD Ryzen 6000 Series 7, AMD Radeon graphics, speakers on either side of the keyboard. Wow, that really goes back far. Goes completely flat. Choose your favorite angle. Quick, brown, Fox D, quick. Actually, a surprising amount of key travel, and they're not very loud. Fairly large glass style trackpad. The camp crowd and the RV crowd goes crazy over Tesla stuff. There was that concept for a Cybertruck camper edition. It's popping off. It's hot right now. Some pretty nice dark to light contrast. As you can see, it's very black looking in the background. In most circumstances, this is going to give you a very pleasing image. Every screen technology has its pros and cons. For the target of this particular laptop, this is going to be a display tech that most people are going to be okay with, and they're going to appreciate, especially when it comes to multimedia consumption. Like, this display is going to be really nice for watching YouTube, editing videos, or watching Netflix or something like that. They're calling it the sharpest, smoothest, safest, highest fidelity screen in their entire product lineup. It's greater than 220 PPI, 2.5K on 13-inch models, 2.8K on 14-inch models, and 3K plus on 16-inch models. 90 hertz refresh rate on the LCD models. So because this is the 14-inch model that we're looking at, the specification here is 3K resolution, 120 hertz refresh, G-Sync support, 16:10 aspect ratio. There is an option as well for touch, which ours appears to have enabled, which Mo was unaware of. Pretty responsive to touch as well, as you can see. Ooh, look at their Pure Sight wallpaper, also vivid and lovely. Let's see here. So I have in this model the Ryzen 7 6800HS Creator Edition at 3.2 gigahertz. As far as RAM, this model has 32 gigabytes. So it's packing the GeForce RTX 3050 laptop GPU. Ooh, I'm ready to create now. Make me want to create, but you better be careful. You might make me want to create something. Wow. Oh, should we try the front-facing camera? Ooh. Look at the face tracking going on here. HDR option. Let's try it. Oh, okay, cool. Here is a video sample using the webcam on the new Lenovo Slim 7 Pro X. What do you think? With HDR enabled. If I'm gaming, I need a gaming mouse. This or this? Oh, this guy. That's what I say. Well, we have to defend, so I presume.
Attackers incoming. Come to me. Objective A.
35. We're getting smoked. The feet. Not super hot. Display good. Display equals good. Oh, you little. You have died. So here's the way I look at this. Like, this is a nice, minimal workstation laptop. It's modern, not gonna weigh down your backpack by any means, yet it's still gonna have the horsepower to do most of what you're gonna do on a laptop in 2022. It's got a 3050 in there. You can see me playing some games on it if need be. It's got a beautiful display. There's an option for a touchscreen if you want it. Plenty of options for peripherals, fast charging, and of course you have AMD Ryzen built in. You've got a relatively slim bezel with a tiny little bump out for your front-facing camera. You know, something else that I noticed about this laptop is very smooth around the edges. Sometimes a sharp edge as you handle and carry your laptop with you, but this is rounded. I'm not just talking about the bottom portion, the lid, even the edges of the lid are also rounded. Smooth touch all around. It's the Lenovo Slim 7 Pro X or the Yoga 7 Slim Pro X, depending on which region you are in.